Marhaba! Welcome sa kusina ni Tito A! Mga kakusina, another day sa kusina ni Tito A. For today's episode, special ang episode natin today. Sapagkat meron tayong kalderetang kambing ng Batangas. Batangas version ang gagawin natin sa ating kaldereta. Diyos ko po, Rude! Ihanda na ang ating extra rice. Simulan na natin ang ating pagluluto. So what are we waiting for? Painitin ang ating pot. In today's episode, our ingredients are 2 kilong kambing, motor meat, then 10 pieces of onions, maraming sibuyas, mas masarap ang ating recipe. We have garlic, and soy sauce, ketchup, black pepper, vinegar. We have tomato sauce, and of course, hindi to kalderetang Batangas kung walang Lea and Perrins. Specific tayo sa recipe, sa ingredients na to, mga kakusina. And of course, margarine or butter. Then the oil reno liver spread is one of the most important ingredients ng ating recipe. And cheese, we're also gonna use cheese para maging creamy. Painitin na natin ang ating pot. And let's add our cooking oil. Ayan. And let's put our 3 tablespoons of margarine. Ayan. 3 tablespoons of margarine. Habang natutunaw ang ating margarine, let's add our garlic. Ayan. After this, let's add our onions. Ayan. The more onions, the merrier. Ika nga, mas masarap, mas malasa. Konting halo. And after this, we're gonna cover our pot for around 1 minute. Hayaan natin mag-caramelize ang ating onion. Okay, mga kakusina, 1 minute is over. Let's check it out. Ayan, no? Nag-juicy na ang ating onion. So kapag nakita na natin ganito, it's time to add our motor meat o yung karne ng ating kambing. So we will add our meat. But just to let you know, mga kakusina, after washing and cleaning our meat, minarinade ko na rin to sa 1 pouch of tomato paste. Ayan, para maging malasa ang ating meat. The tomato paste also will help us to tenderize our meat. So after adding all, just mix a little para mabalanse ang sibuyas na ating ginigisa. Ayan. And after that, para masangkot siya ang ating meat, ayan, let's cover it again. After 5 minutes, mga kakusina, let's check it out. Wow! So, what's next? We're gonna add our 1/4 cup of Lea and Perrins sauce. Ayan. Pampalasa to eh. Ayan. Woo! Then, let's add our soy sauce. Also add our vinegar. And a splash of our liquid seasoning. Ayan. Chang, 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 ping, ping, ping. Konti lang yan mga kakusina. Ayan. And then, let's mix it. Amoy pa lang. Kaldereta na. Diyos ko po, Rude. And then, we gonna cover it. Palalambutin na natin to in a very low fire. Ito mga kakusina, hahayaan muna natin itong kumulo. And then when we reach the boiling point of our niluluto, then saka natin palalambutin to in very low fire. So for the meantime, pakuluin muna natin to. So to make it quick or fast, takpan natin. Ayan mga kakusina. At this point, palalambutin na natin ang ating meat in a very low fire. So slow cooking tayo. Ayan. And after that, saka natin pa idadagdag other ingredients. So, takpan ulit natin. And let's wait till our meat tender. This is it mga kakusina. After 45 minutes of cooking our meat in a very low fire, let's check it out. This is it in 3, 2, 1. Jarang! Ayan mga kakusina. So after 45 minutes, ito yung itsura niyan. So what to do? Mix lang natin. Oh, ang lambot mga kakusina, oh. And so yummy. Looks so yummy. So now, what to do? I will add a pinch of black pepper. And then, I will add now our ketchup. This is 1 cup of ketchup. Ooh, tamis anghang banana ketchup. Next, ang ating sweet pickles. For the complete list of our ingredients, mga kakusina, please visit our description box. After adding our ketchup, sweet pickles, and the black pepper, so palakasin na ulit natin ang apoy. Ayan, then haluin lang natin. Mga kakusina, oh, ang lambot. Look at the color and the texture of our caldereta. So yummy. Let's simmer it. At ito na mga kakusina, nagsisimula na siyang kumukulo-kulo-kulo. And after that mga kakusina, so we will add around 1/4 cup of tomato sauce. We will add our 2 cans of liver spread. Ayan. So, bakeno mo yan, Rino. Ayan po. 1 and 2. And of course, haluin natin to. So, keep stirring lang tayo. Halo-halo lang tayo. Make sure na nahahalo din natin yung ilalim to avoid na dumikit yung ating niluluto. We can add, para may kick, syempre, our favorite. Hindi natin to gugupitin or hihiwain, slice, isang sili kasi maanghang na to. Red chili, but it's up to you if you want more. So you can add more chilies. Okay? And para maging creamy ang ating caldereta, and it's one of the ingredients, ang ating Kraft cheddar cheese. Ayan. Waited lang natin. Ayan na, mga kakusina. Ooh! Ayan, fresh. From kusina ni Tito A, ang ating caldereta, ang kambing ng Batangas. And at this moment, at this point, I want to say thank you kay Bro Dexter and Sis Neneng, our friends from TFC Dukum. Sila ang turo sa akin how to cook the calderetang kambing ng Batangas. And hindi lang sila nagturo, mga kakusina. They are also the one who bring this meat from Dukum. Ayan. Once again, thank you very much, Sis Neneng, Bro Dexter, May God bless you more. Thank you for being so generous and loving to our family. Woo! Love you! Okay, after adding all the ingredients, mga kakusina, let it simmer, but always haluin natin ang ating niluluto. And this is it, mga kakusina. We are done sa ating kalderetang kambing ng Batangas. So, what we are waiting for? Tikman na natin ang masarap na kalderetang kambing. Eto na, tikman na natin. Ayan no, ang lambot mga kakusina. Humihiwalay sa kanyang buto. Eto, Perfecto. Ang sarap. Ang lambot. Ang maganda rito, hindi maanggo. Yan, no? Sarap. Alak pa. Ganun lang kasimple ang ating kalderetang kambing. So ano pa iniintay nyo? Parini na sa kusina ni Tito A. Masalama, paalam. Kain pa tayo. Kahit walang rice.